Dear student, in this video we will learn application of percentage. Recall that what is percent? Percent means a fraction with denominator 100 is called percent. In previous class you have already learned about percentage. Percent. Percent means what? A fraction with denominator 100 is called fraction. It's called percent. The symbol used for percent is this sign. In previous class you also learned conversions related to fraction, related to percent. Suppose 2 by 100 you may write 2%, 20 by 100 you may write 20%, 3 decimal 5 by 100 you may write 3 decimal 5%. Is it clear? Now there are some conversion related to percent. First is conversion of percent into fraction. Conversion of percent. Suppose conversion of percent into fraction. You have to convert percent into fraction. How to convert? Dividing by 100. तो यहाँ से ब्रैकेट में क्या लिख दे रहा हूँ? Dividing by 100. When you have to convert percent into fraction, then you divide by 100. Remove the percentage sign and divide by 100. For example, 5%, it means 5 by 100. So 5 by 100 means how many times? 20 times. So 1 by 20. Is it clear? Suppose you have 3 by 100. Then suppose 3%. Then you write 3 by 100. It is already in lowest form. Suppose you have 3 decimal 5%. Then you write 3 decimal 5 by 100. Again remove the percentage, again remove decimal, then you put 10. It means 35 by 100. 1000. Cancel with 5 7 times and 200 times. So 7 by 200 is the fraction in lowest term. Now another type of conversion, that is percent to decimal. Conversion of percent as decimal. Conversion of percent as decimals. For example, you have how to convert? Dividing by 100. When you have to convert percent as decimal, then you must divide by 100. When you convert percent as decimal, then you must divide by 100. For example, suppose you have 3%. 3% in fraction, what we have to write? 3 by 100. And in decimal, when we have divide by 100, then decimal 2 digit left, so we write 0.03. Again for another example, suppose 25%. In fraction you write 25 by 100, and in decimal you write 0.25. When we divide by 100, then decimal 2 digits shift 2 digit left. Is it clear? Now third conversion. Third type of conversion, conversion of fraction as percent. Third conversion is conversion of percent as conversion of percent नहीं, conversion of fraction as percent. You have to convert fraction as percent. How to convert? By multiplying 100. By multiplying 100. Now, example, suppose you have 3 by 4. Then you write 3 by 4 into 100%. It means 3 by 4 into 100. Cancel with 5 times, 25 times, then you write 75%. For another example, suppose you have 6 whole 1 by 2. This is the mixed number. Then first you convert into improper fraction. Then you write 13 by 2. It may write 13 by 2 into 100%. How many times? 50 times. So you write 650%. Now fourth type, when you have to convert ratio as percent. Next conversion is conversion of ratio into percent. क्या करेंगे? First we convert as fraction and multiply by 100. First you convert as fraction and then multiply by 100. पहले हम लोग फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और फिर 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज यू हैव 2:5. 2:5 मीन्स व्हाट? In fraction you write 2 by 5 and in percentage you write 2 by 5 into 100. Cancel with 20 times. So you write 40%. This is the answer. Conversion of next type, conversion of decimals into percent. How to convert? By multiplying by 100. By multiplying by 100. Example, first is 0.34. Then you write 0.34 into 100%. It may be 34%. Second, 2.3 है तो क्या लिखेंगे? 2.3 into 100%. When we have to convert into percent, then we multiply by 100. And when you have to convert percent into decimal, percent into fraction, then you divide by 100. So you write 230%. Is it clear? In 6, there are some application of percentage. Find the value of first is 20% of 1 rupee. You have to find 20% of 1 rupee. How to find? Then you write 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 20% of 100 paise is equal to 20% means 20 by 100. Off means into 100. 100 cancel. So you got 20 paise. Another example, 35% of 500 gram. It means 35% means what? 35 by 100. Off means into 500 gram means 500. 100 cancel with 5 times. So you write 175 gram. Is it clear to everyone? Now simple application of percentage. Now we recite simple application of percentage. Simple application of percentage. Now we will do the worksheet 1. In worksheet 1, the first question is the property dealer charges 2% commission from buyer or seller of a property if Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as a commission for purchasing a flat. What was the value of the flat? Here given that 2% commission are given by seller or buyer, and Mr. Ramlal purchase a flat and give as commission rupees 20,000. You have to find the value of the flat. Is it clear? So first you write solution of question number 1. First you write percentage of commission. परसेंटेज ऑफ कमीशन क्या है? 2% गिवन दैट. ठीक है. रामलाल पेड एज कमीशन इक्वल टू रुपीज 20,000. लेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लैट इक्वल टू रुपीज एक्स. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन क्या है? फ्लैट का वैल्यू एक्स रुपीज मान लिया, 20,000 रुपीज एज ए कमीशन दे रहा है और कमीशन का परसेंटेज क्या है? 2%. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू परसेंट 2% ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 20,000. सो यू राइट 2/100 इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू 20,000. सो एक्स इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 20,000 into 100 and divide by 2. 2 cancel with 20,000 how many times? 10,000 times. So you get 10,000 into 100, that is 10 lakh. And in last you write the value of flat is equal to rupees 10 lakh. This is the answer. In second question, a 3-star hotel in Delhi charges 10% sale tax on price of the food taken, and Mr. Saxena and his family had food taken for rupees 685. Find the total money he had to pay. Here given that 10% sale tax on the price of food taken, मतलब 10% sale tax लगता है, and Mr. Saxena has taken food for rupees 685. You have to find total money he had to pay. So here given that percentage of sale tax is equal to 10%. Mr. Saxena and his family take food of rupees 685. How many sale tax? Then sale tax, here given that sale tax is 10%. So sale tax is equal to amount of sale tax is equal to 10% of 685. 10% of 685 means what? 10/100 into 685. Cancel them. It get 68.5. So total money he had to pay. Total money he had to pay is equal to 685 plus sale tax 68.5, and you get 7 rupees 753.5. This is the answer. Now in question number 3, a painter paint 240 square feet of a wall. ठीक है. And if this is 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square feet? Here given that in question number 3 given that a painter paint 240 square feet of a wall, and this is the 48% of the total wall surface, and you have to find the area of the wall painted in percent. So area, given that area of wall painted is equal to 240 square feet, and percentage of wall painted is equal to 48%. Suppose let the total area of wall is equal to x square feet. So according to question, 48% of the total wall, that is x, is equal to 240 square feet. So you write 48 by 100 into x is equal to 240. Then you write x is equal to 240 into 100 by 48, and you cancel with 5 times, then you get 500 square feet. So total area of wall is total area of wall is equal to 500 square feet. Now question number 4. In question number 4, the salary of a person was increased by 15%. If his salary now is rupees 9,936, what was his initial salary? A salary of a person was increased by 15%. It is given that, and the increased salary is rupees 9,936. You have to find initial salary. So percentage of, given that percentage of salary increase is equal to 15%. Increased salary is equal to rupees 9,936. Let the initial salary is equal to rupees x. तो इंक्रीज सैलरी गिवन दैट क्या है? तो इंक्रीज सैलरी क्या होगा? इंक्रीज्ड सैलरी इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा? x प्लस 15% ऑफ x, and here given that the increased salary is 9,936. So you write x plus 15 by 100 into x. Cancel them. So how many times? 20 times, 3 times. So you write x plus 3x by 20. It means 9,936 is equal to 20x plus 3x by 20. So 23x by 20. So you write x is equal to 9936 into 20 by 23. Cancel with how many times? Cancel. So 432. So x is equal to, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 432 into 20 and we will get 848640. So initial salary of the person, so initial salary of a person is rupees 8,640. This is the answer. Thank you.